Fred Bretsky from SAIT. We're going to try a little online lesson on mixed reality and some little bit of gas sizing from our SAIT third year program. And we're going to try this at my place. I can watch the hockey game and teach a gas lesson at the same time. So let's look at this house that I have augmented up on my living room wall. Today we're just going to keep it simple, and we're just going to size the main gas pipe, which is downstream of the meter, to the very first takeoff to the first gas appliance. So we just want to figure out what size that is. I'm just going to pick this up a bit so it's a little easier to look at. And the first thing you need to know is pick the right gas table, which is table A2 in our gas code book. You only need to know two pieces of information to size that first gas pipe downstream of the meter, and that is you need to know the total Btu rating for the 6 gas appliances which are in this house, and then you need to know the total foot distance from the meter right here to the farthest gas appliance. So let's do the Btu ratings first. We're just going to browse throughout this house, and there are 6 of them, so we're going to start in the basement. So I'm just going to lower myself down into the basement, and there you're going to see a 45,000 Btu hot water tank on the right, and to the left of it is a 90,000 Btu furnace, and then to the left of that is a 110,000 Btu furnace. You see the black gas line above it. We're going to go to the far corner of the house, which is way up here. I'm just going to pull the house down a bit to make it a little bit easier. And this is the top floor of the house. And over here, you're going to see there is a 35,000 Btu fireplace. So that's 4 gas appliances. Let's follow this gas line. As you can see on the top floor, we're going to go right into the kitchen. And in the kitchen there, you're going to see a 42,500 Btu gas stove on this floor in our kitchen. And here's a little 2-piece bathroom we're sliding by. And then we're going to go back down the basement. As that gas line drops down, it drops right down into a gas dryer. And this gas dryer is 28.5 thousand BTUs, or 28.5 MBH, which is the short form. So there's our 6 gas appliances. I've already totaled these up, and the total should come out to 351,000 BTUs. So we got to keep that number in mind. That's the total. And now all we have to do is do the total foot distance from the gas meter to the farthest appliance. So we're talking about from here, the gas meter, we're going to go right along this gas line. I've already pre-measured it, and it goes all the way here. There's the farthest gas appliance, which is the gas stove. Let's pull that back down. I'm going to pull it up again. And now that total foot distance is 58 feet. So that's the only 2 pieces of information we need. And so we're just scroll down here to 60, which is bigger than 58 feet. Go across, and there we have a 695,000 BTUs. That's bigger because it's 351,000, so we have to go higher than that. So we're going to go to this number here. We intersect it and just go up, just like we're sizing a vent in plumbing, and that is 1.25 inch main pipe coming out of the gas meter. So that means, let me just stop. That means that this pipe right here to this first takeoff is 1.25 inches. Now we'll save the other part for sizing the rest for another lesson, but it's fairly simple. You're just subtracting the BTUs as you go back towards the meter, and of course the next pipe will be big.